After almost a month-long search, the Karbi Anglong police had finally apprehended the accused behind the dual murders that happened in Upper Deigrum. The incident, which took place on August 28, resulted in the death of 11-year-old Sobita Hansepi and her 9-year-old friend Anisha Ingtipi. Since then, the police as well as all conscious social groups were looking for the culprit. Ever since the crime was committed, there were strong demands for the arrest of the culprit from all sections of the society. Police immediately began investigation into the matter and identified a suspect who was a 16-year-old boy from Lokhiram Rongpar village, the same of the two murdered girls. However, before the police could take the boy for interrogation, he ran away from home. Police had no other options but to launch a search operation. They flooded the photo of the suspect and sought for help from social organizations as well. On Sunday, the boy was seen in Dilai, and the KSA Dilai Head Branch President Y Songtarang, along with KSA Bokajan Regional Committee President Nobin Rongpi and their associates, stopped the boy and took him to their office. Later, they surrendered him to the Dilai police.
Pensi haladak alang tum bahini jir pipi phandame halabangsu pai chiklo in korener kya bahut alang tum bahini phan patchilor no lapingela patchilor da phi penang an haladak ahawartum arong aradatum lapin ke karbing long hawata me manghu prong sidolo je komasi ke pathima apeng gupia the pia porma pusi lapin ke penang an haladak nimarlia song ben danglok haladak Bokajan KSA regional atum lapeng ke haladak aru atum sisteme dode sangsi pen SP tumhan lapeng ke haladak thana tumhan me alang tum pin pura lo pajirlo police tum tame lasonsi investigation lasonsi claim bom lo lapeng ke suspected dosi haladak penang an ari haladak arong tumhan lasonsi arju bom tahai po amasi inur ariso phan alang tum hala suhut pendame doubt dolo suspect dolo amasi hol bang suhut chukela police thana andar long thana long pono amasi labang sorry su bangke kajui lo lapengke kajui pe na phi non chiklo jon pai inkorener cap pen aghatona pen non la chiti pini inquire troxy ansi mane patumi inquire trox ansi la ke kajui ari su phan long lok lo
GD chiklo ringol trok ada por hai ke por hut kedam tang Upper Deigrum koilamati along amuso damhan apan karmodat ko hut apan karmodat abang phu phang nilitum de la KSA ropi pan kinap donong lok
dilai nar wang bom pu dang dilai branch tumhan inform phone pen inform lo la so teng pen alang litum pali dun pensi 0. pudapu haladak sigun bagana dunglong lo haladak si la so sopan khang nun check.
In a telephonic conversation of our correspondent with the Bokajan SDPO Jaundice, it was confirmed that the boy apprehended at Dilai was the same suspect who was on the run. The SDPO also confirmed that the boy had confessed his crime before them. The boy told the police that he intended to molest Sobita but could not succeed, so he killed her. While the other girls saw him committing the heinous act, he had killed her as well in order to remove witness of his earlier crime. The culprit, being below 18 years, has been sent to juvenile detention center in Jorhat.
Phone pen conversation kidu hut mate SDPO Bokajan Jaundice pen kaching ki hut alang pen ke nang than pamelo je suspect ke kalilo labang su ariso phan lake che confess pamelo labang su ariso athege alang si apran armud veglo pusi labahini phandame alang invest si apran armud lo pusipu.
Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live.